Okay, what's up guys? Welcome back to Covered Clinton. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you a roadmap on becoming a front-end web developer in 6 months. So without further ado, we are getting started right now. You get. So before I proceed, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your loved ones. Share this video. It might be of help to your friends or your family. You get. So number one tip I have for you is this: you have to learn HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is really important. HTML represents the skeleton, the foundation of websites or web applications. So you need to learn HTML. So my number two is CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. It helps to add the design, the beauty of your website. Those are done with CSS. You get. And number three I have for you is what we call JavaScript. JavaScript is a scripting language that helps to add interactivity to web applications. You understand? So, but JavaScript has gone beyond just adding interactivity. With JavaScript now, you can build a full web application with JavaScript. You understand? So you need to learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And the last but not the least is this: you need to pick up a front-end framework, and we have several of them. I'm going to mention the three most popular. Well, we have three most popular front-end frameworks in the industry today, and they are React.js, Vue.js, and Angular. You understand? So you need to just pick one of these frameworks and start learning. You get. So, and I recommend React.js because it is the most popular. It is the most in demand in the market right now. So now I'm going to give you a guideline on how to learn these technologies I mentioned. So in your first month, you can learn HTML and CSS. You can learn and know more than the basics of HTML and CSS. You understand? So for the first month, so in the next 2 months, you can pick up JavaScript and start learning. You understand? Pick up JavaScript and start learning. After that, the last 3 months, you can start learning React.js. So that's 6 months. So if you are consistent, if you persevere enough, if you are consistent and willing, you're going to learn these things, and before you know it, you'll be ready for jobs. You get. So that's it now. So I'm gonna recommend some channels you need to for you to learn these technologies. I'm gonna recommend some YouTube channels for you. For HTML and CSS, I recommend Design Course on YouTube. Design Course is one of the biggest YouTube channel that teaches front-end development. You get. And they have awesome perfect courses on HTML, on CSS. You're gonna really love them, and these courses are free of charge on YouTube. So for HTML and CSS, I recommend Design Course. You can see the guy here, Design Course, over 1,000 videos and more than 7,000 subscribers. That's really huge. You get. So, and for JavaScript, for you to learn JavaScript, I'm going to recommend some YouTube channels for you. For JavaScript, you can go with NetNinja and Traversy Media. So the NetNinja and Traversy Media, these are two different channels that will help you learn JavaScript. You understand? So, okay, this is Design Course I spoke about earlier. So just go down to YouTube and search for NetNinja EX6 tutorial. NetNinja EX6. NetNinja EX6 is a version of JavaScript. It's a version of JavaScript. It's a modern version of JavaScript. In understand? So you can see the guy. You can see different technologies he's teaching. You can see React, Flutter, JavaScript. He teaches a lot of stuff. He has great videos on JavaScript. So just click on JavaScript. You see his videos on JavaScript, and they are awesome. I've learned a lot from him. I also believe you can also learn a lot from him. You can see he has a playlist for JavaScript tutorials. You can see this one on top. You can see this one, modern JavaScript tutorial. He has awesome tutorials, really awesome. You can also check Traversy Media. You can also come down to the search bar and check out Traversy Media. So I'm going to just so I'm going to check out Traversy Media, JavaScript. He has great tutorials on JavaScript. Traversy Media is really awesome. I love him so much. His tutorials are great and perfect. So it's going to load up now my internet connection is quite slow. So you will see this guy. You can see there's a video here from Traversy Media on JavaScript. You get. So, and lastly we have React.js. For me, I'm going to go with React.js for the front end framework. I'm going to go with React.js. You get. So React.js is a front end framework for building user interfaces, you understand. So I'm going to recommend some channels for you to learn React.js, and I'm going to recommend Next Ninja again. These guys have an awesome playlist on React.js. I learned React.js from the Next Ninja, and it was really comprehensive and quite understandable. I was able to understand every steps. They broke everything into smaller pieces and made sure you understand every step of it. So I recommend the Next Ninja for your React tutorial, for you to learn React. The Next Ninja on YouTube are a great one. So Next Ninja, they have awesome React tutorials. So check them out. Check them out. Check them out. You understand? So, and all more. Also have there's this guy again that teaches React on YouTube. His name is Clever Programmer. That's the name of his YouTube channel. His name is Scorzy. So he teaches React on YouTube. Not just React, but he teaches a lot of things, but he's mainly focused on React.js instead. So you can also check out Clever Programmer on YouTube. The guy is also really good, you understand? So check these guys out for you to learn these tech skills, and in 6 months time you are job ready, you understand? So I have one more bonus tip for you. Before I go down to the bonus tip, this channel is a channel where I teach Django. Django is a Python web framework for building web applications. So on this channel I teach Django, and very soon I will start teaching React.js on this channel, you understand? Before you know it, we will start reacting with Django. Very soon we are coming to that. So okay, before I call it a wrap on this video, I'm going to introduce you to a web hosting platform called Bluehost. Bluehost is a web hosting platform for hosting websites, and also you can use Bluehost to build your website, understand? So you don't need to write code to build your website. They use WordPress to build websites, and they also host your website for you, understand? And they have really excellent features, understand? So for your first year, you have free domain registration for the first year, and also free XSL certificates. You also have a one-click WordPress install system and expert 24/7 support system. This is really amazing, super amazing. And you can see here, for newcomers, you will charge $2.75 per month to get started with Bluehost. This is really fascinating. Bluehost are super reliable. They are the best in the world for web hosting, you understand? And you can also build websites on Bluehost using the WordPress system. So to join Bluehost, use my link down below. My link is in the video's description, so check it there. You can use my link, but you can purchase through my link. So click on the link, you'll be brought down to Bluehost, and you can. And once you make your purchase, I'm going to make a little commission. You understand? So thank you for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I really hope you got some value from this video. So if you are an aspiring front-end web developer, I just gave you a tip. I just gave you a roadmap for you to follow. So if you can follow this roadmap consistently for 6 months, I guarantee you will be job ready. And before you know it, you'll be open to opportunities in working with top tech companies as a front-end web developer, you get. So that's it for this video. So see you in the next video. So do well to stay safe, take care of yourself, stay blessed, and bye bye.